Hello, I am Narayan Chandra Rao. I am the founder of English Plus, the online free English learning app. I am now live and today's class is on a very important topics, and it is the importance of English in today's world. This is the topic which I want to share my knowledge as an English teacher and as a devotee of English language and literature. I am a student of the University of Everlasting Learning. As a result, I want to share with you what I have learned so far at this age of 51. I have gathered something to share with you, and I want to share those knowledge. And the mission of this effort is to make you understand why should we learn English, what is our purpose. We all know that the purpose of any language is to communicate. Communication is the main purpose of using a language, and our mother tongue is sufficient for this purpose. Our mother tongue is sufficient for this purpose. Then why should we learn English? Why should we learn English? This is the main questions. And in behind the questions lies the answer of what is the importance of learning language. So, let us consider, let us share what is English. English, this very word is not unfamiliar with someone who has some familiarity with some sort of education or normal way of life. And for this, we have certainly indebted to the English men who came to India for the business purpose also. If they had not come to our country for building their colony, perhaps we didn't have to learn this language. But those colonial businessmen has done a lot to us. Of course, we have to give him value for that, but they have made us familiar with their language, which has now attained the status of a global language. It is a language of communication. It is the language which is used in most of the countries. You will be surprised to know that this language is used. This language is used in almost 53 countries all over the world. and it is the official language of about 67 countries all over the world. Official language. And we should know that we have this language as a lingua franca. Lingua franca means the language which is used as a mutual language. Suppose you went to a country where in which the language of communication is Spanish. Then you will find someone who is there to understand the language of English, and you will make them understand what you want to say. So English has become a medium of communication, and communication means in which branches of communication? Communication in academic institutions. In most of the academic institutions, out of 20 top running universities, 17 universities of the world, the medium of instruction is English, and we have to understand that how important is the language. These are the interesting facts that about 2 billion people speak English. It may or may not be their official or language or mother tongue. Do you know? If you know or learn 300 common words, you will be able to understand about 65% of English writing. These are the interesting facts which we should know. And another interesting fact is that in USA, 230 million people speak English. In UK, United Kingdom, that means England and other neighboring countries, about 60 million people speak in English. And such a great number of people speak in English. Moreover, in the field of entertainment, in the present world, TV shows, quiz shows, Hollywood cinemas, Bollywood cinemas, and even in present day YouTube streaming, about 50% videos are published in English. You will be surprised to know that about 50% of top running websites are made in English, and those websites are highly sought websites. And in this lockdown period, most of us know how English is essential for us if we want to keep us updated with almost all types of knowledge. You know that English has been so important because Internet has been the one of the best medium of getting education. You know, for about 1.5 years, it has already passed. Students are confined within their home. They cannot come to school because of the fear of being attacked by corona. And this has made them possible that they can continue their studies to some extent, so that their educational purposes may be served to some extent. So we should know English is a very common language. Don't we know that English is the language of business? In the top ranked business communication, English is a must. And the persons who are controlling the world economy, they are the businessmen. We the servicemen are just consumers. But the business companies, businessmen are controlling the world. And in the higher level and also in lower level, English is the medium of communication. In the job field, if you cannot communicate fluently with English, you will not be able to express yourself fully, and then your getting job or promotion, etc. will be affected. Even in our day-to-day life, in banks, post office, etc., online buying, etc., English is a very, very important language. It does not mean that works in these places are very much affected, but those who are fully involved in these institutions for giving and getting service, there is the problem of ignorance of English if they are not helped by any other person. So English is very important. Its value cannot be measured if one is ambitious, if one is desirous of expanding his world, expanding his work field, expanding his knowledge. If you are a static person, if you think that I have got a job, I have sufficient resources to live in this world, then you are right. You may think that I have no need of learning English. But if you want to actually get all types of knowledge, English is the most common language which you should learn. Without learning English, you cannot prosper gradually, exponentially. And now the question, how should we learn English? Everyone may say that from our childhood we learn English. Then what is the importance of showing us or discussing us or sharing us the importance of learning English? Every one of us may claim that I know something about English, but our knowing is not sufficient. As I have first mentioned that I am an everlasting learner. I am an English teacher. I am an aged English teacher. 51 years is my age. I remember when I was about 12, 13 years, when I was studying in class 6 or 7, I had some difficulties. I was born in a rural part of South 24 Parganas in the Sundarban areas. I remember there was hardly any teacher besides the primary or high school teachers. I remember there was one or two primary schools in our village. There was no full-fledged high schools in our village, and only there was a high school of six up to 6th class. As a result of it, we did not study in our own school because it was only 2 classes of high school. However, one day when I was a student of 6 or 7, I felt some difficulties in learning English, and I told my father that I require someone's help in English. Father knew that there is a graduate in our village who has just came from Kolkata after being a graduate. Father told me to go to him so that I might be helped by him. I remember I went to their house at about 3 or 3:30 p.m. Or around sometime. I went to their house. I sat in front of their house on a bench a long time, and my presence was informed by someone. But I was surprised to see that very person, my would-be teacher of English, did not come out of the house. He didn't meet me. I returned home hopelessly. I remember that very picture, how I returned from that master's house. On the way I returned home, I determined, I took some oath in my mind that I shall be an English teacher if there is some opportunity. However, after that day, I spent many years in high school, assembly school, and at the end of the life in assembly school, one or two teachers of my higher secondary school encouraged me to adopt English as my future study, and I got admitted in a college in Kolkata where I studied English, and I passed English honors. I passed MA, and then I became an English teacher. And I have spent about 23 years as an English teacher. But in reality, from the core of my heart, I did not claim myself as a fully experienced English teacher. I still think that I am an English learner also. You know, learning becomes perfect only by practice. And there are four aspects of learning a language. One is reading, another is writing, listening, speaking. And four types of skills of learning a language may be applied to English also. And after spending a few years, our students cannot gain mastery fully because they are introduced with the language, but there is not sufficient training for making them fully equipped with using this language in reading, in speaking, in writing, in listening. And it is the private study, it is the self-study which may help him or her to gain mastery in this language. Without knowing this language, in this present world of internet, present world of globalization, we cannot prosper fully. If one thinks that he is satisfied with his present life, that is okay for him. But how many of us don't want progress in our life? Most of us want such progress, but very few of us can attain this progress as we don't know how to get that progress. What should be the way of going forward to that progress? And to do something good really, to serve the world fully, we need to learn English properly, and it is now in this lockdown period. Online sources of learning language may be used. Our offline schools have closed. Our tender boys and girls so they should read English books. They should know. They should adopt entertainment, etc. for their English learning up to date. So we have understood how important the English language has been, and it will be going to be a very important language in the near future, and that will be increasing day by day. And we should now know what will be the way of learning this very, very important language. In the next class, we shall discuss what should be the way of learning English. We have today's class main focus was how important this language, and in the next class we shall focus what should be done to learn this language properly. Today our class ends here. I am very much sorry because of some difficulties I cannot show you. I cannot show you the actual PPT or screen sharing. I am very much sorry, extremely sorry. Pardon me for this problem. And I think you will be with me in the next class so that I can show you fully what should be done to learn this language. I think English is the easiest language, and I think it is not. I think everyone thinks that everyone who are concerned about this language So realize that it is a easy language, easiest grammar, etc. So you should be with me in the next class so that I may share my knowledge with you. What is the way of learning this most important language to gain mastery in our skill, to communicate with the outer world, to continue our progress exponentially, অর্থাৎ ক্রমে ক্রমে আমরা যেন এগোতে পারি। So thank you very much who have attended my class. I don't know, I am conducting the class through my mobile, and I think I shall be able to improve my quality of videos and audios in the next class. Thank you very much.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Thank you very much. I have noticed that two of my students have attended this class, and
In the great outdoors,
I don't know who are you.
forever free.
Thank you very much. You are very welcome in my class, and you must remember that in the next class you will be announced properly
Sometimes you need to go.
how you may be enriched, the ways of
Take a step back
learning English.
to see the truth
আমরা সবাই
around.
জানি কি করতে হবে, কিন্তু কিভাবে করতে হবে সেটা আমরা সবাই জানি না। এই যে প্রশ্নটির উত্তর আমরা পরের ক্লাসে খুঁজব। ওকে, আমি কিউ অ্যান্ড কোশ্চেন আনসার সেকশনটা করতে পারলাম না এখন, যেহেতু লিমিটেশনের কারণে। আমি পরের ক্লাসে শেষে দু একটা কোশ্চেন আমি নেব, যাতে কিনা আমি আমার স্টুডেন্টদের কিছু কোয়ারিজ
Meant to be
উত্তর দিতে পারি।
in the great outdoors.
আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নম্বর 9836606538। এই হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নম্বরে সবাই যোগাযোগ করতে পারে তাদের কিছু কোয়ারিজ থাকলে। আর ক্রমশ নতুনদের বলুন যাতে এই ইংলিশ প্লাস অ্যাপটি তারা ডাউনলোড করে, এবং এতে আমরা ক্রমশ স্টাডি ম্যাটেরিয়াল আপলোড করছি। এবং শুধু অ্যাপ ডাউনলোড করাটা যথেষ্ট নয়, কি ধরনের সাহায্য স্টুডেন্টরা চাইছে সেটা যদি আমরা জানতে পারি তাহলে আমাদের পক্ষে খুব সুবিধা হয়। ইংলিশ ইজ আ ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, and we can help you in as much way as we can.